You can expect a lot from the 2019 Honda Pilot. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, speed-sensitive wipers, a power seat, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 8. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.